3 browser tips you need to know. One. Reset zoom. Use to get back to the default zoom size after you've zoomed in or out on your browser. Voila! Anyways, do not forget to check out my channel and to like, subscribe and share. Thanks. 2. Select a URL. Without needing to click into the browser URL bar, you can select the URL and then copy it or type in it. There we go. So much easier. Last but not the least, pinning tabs. In Google Chrome, if you right-click on a tab, you can select Pin tab. That locks the tab, so that it cannot be exited out. The exit or close button cannot be found after it has been pinned. These are the 3 browser tips you need to know. Thanks for watching and for learning something new.